Hello, I'm Carolina the Doodler, and today we're going to be reviewing the Body Color Cosmetics paintbrushes. So today I received this amazing package filled with a plethora of brushes. This brand is called Body Color Cosmetics, and they're very well known for making the most amazing water-resistant face paint, but they're also well known for their paintbrush. If you've watched any of my videos, you've seen that I use these brushes the most, and there's a good reason. It's because they are amazing. So why don't we just open all of them together and then we'll try them out. So let's start with this big one. This is their 1 3/8 flat. This is so cool. If you like to use one stroke and split cakes, or even for doing really large coverage, I mean, hello, this puppy is huge. Look at it. Amazing, amazing. The next one is a 3/4 flat. Look at this. Oh, so cool. So this is probably the size that you're most used to seeing when it comes to flat brushes. This is a 3/4 flat brush. Listen to this crunch. Oh, you gotta love that initial crunch in the brushes. And then here we have a 5/8 angled brush. So much math. Math is hard. But you know what's not hard? Using these amazing brushes. I mean, look at the bristles. The bristles have the most incredible snapback that I have ever seen in brushes that are made specifically for this industry. So this is the 5/8. Here we have the 1/2" flat angled brush. Now I know how to open it, so you have to go this way. Take his little hat off. Just look at this baby, it's so pretty. Let's do this together, ready? Oh yeah. The little dust. Ooh, look at this. This is a large petal brush. I didn't know she makes petal brushes. Look at this. Wow. This is amazing. I mean, look at this. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wow. Oh, my goodness. I can't wait to try this. I'm geeking out so hard right now. Okay, let's look at you. Who are you? This is a medium petal. It's like I'm doing this in order somehow. I don't even know how. So this is the medium petal brush. Look at it. Oh, wow. So pretty. So let's put it next to his mommy. The large petal brush. Hello, mommy.
Hello, baby. How are you? I'm just doing good. I'm so happy with you.
We'll put those two together because they're family, you know. Let's see who's next. Here we have a small petal. Oh,
I'm just a baby.
come on, let's open up the baby.
I'm just a baby.
Ooh. Okay, so here is the small petal brush. Okay, let's see the whole family. So I guess this is the daddy, the mommy, and the baby, right? Hi, I'm Papa.
Hi, I'm Mama. Hi, I'm just a baby.
But look at these beautiful brushes. Can't wait to show you some petals. Okay, so let's put them together. Stay right there. Who's next? This is my favorite. A number 6 round. I love round brushes because they feel like, you know, like you're drawing with a marker. So you've seen me use a number 6 petal a lot. When a lot of you ask me, what's the brush that I use for doing large areas of color on my tiny tutorials or for dots, it's the number 6 round. Let's put you here with your friends. Oh, what is this? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let's open it. I do already have number 2 and number 4 in my repertoire. Let's see what this is. This is incredible. What in the world, Tiffany? Okay, so this is called a, let's see what you are. Face base? Not to be confused with Ace of Base. Look at this. I have never seen a brush called face base, but this is gonna save me so much time. Look at this. That's beautiful. Oh, face base. Ah, I love this so much. Let's see who's next. Next up, we have the tapered blender. Ooh, I've never had a blender before. I mean, I have a Vitamix, but that's not the same. Okay, so this is a tapered blender. Oh, just, I wish you could feel how soft, yet how firm this is. This is nice. Hello, tapered blender. Welcome to the little family. This right here is a smudge. Hello, Mr. Smudge. Oh boy, this is gonna be so cool. How cute is this? Smudgy McSmudgy Pants. Welcome. Welcome to the fam. Okay, and who are you? This is the Diamond Kabuki. Oh my goodness. I've never had a Kabuki brush either. Wow. Do you see that? It actually is a diamond shape. Diamond girl. This is so cool. Welcome. Welcome, my little Tanya. I gotta push this box back because I'm running out of room. Okay, who's next? Let's see. Who are you? Angle Blender. Hello, Angle Blender. Come on in. Come on in. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Look at this. I just want to take a moment also to appreciate the handles on these brushes. I mean, the handles are lightweight. They're short. Let me compare it to a regular sized brush. You see how the handle on the body color brushes is nice and short compared to my other brushes. The ferrule is all the way down here, whereas the other ones is all the way up there. So for face painting and body painting, the shape and the size and the weight of these brushes is just the best I've ever tried. And also, you can apply creamy glitters with the back of your brush. I bet you didn't know that, but now that you know, you can't unlearn that. Okay, so next we have Mini Base. Ooh, Mini Base. What's up, Mini Base? Look how pretty. That is gorgeous. I can't believe the amount of brushes that I have sitting on my desk right now is just, I want to cry a little bit, just a little bit. Okay, who's next? Next up, we have the small powder. Ooh, you know, I want to share that I recently got very much into using powders for my events, and it's amazing. So I'm gonna use the bejesus out of this brush. How cool! I mean, doing colors and bases with powder is the coolest thing ever. So that's awesome. Okay, and then we have a shader. Cool. I love shaders. This is so cool. Look at this beautiful little shader. Oh, how pretty. Look at that. And then, who's next? Who wants to be next? How about you? Ooh, body base. Cool. So this one's a little bit chunkier and bigger than face base. Let me show it to you together. So this is face base and this is body base. You see that? This one's like and this one's like so cool. So like I said, these are awesome for body painting too. Ooh, medium powder. Look how pretty. This one comes with a little net. Let's take it out properly. Don't judge. Ooh, medium powder. Oh my goodness. That feels amazing. I'm running out of room. Let's put you like this. You're special. Who else? Who else wants to be next? How about you? You look cool. Oval Kabuki. Oh, now I have two Kabuki brushes. The Oval Kabuki. It really is an oval shape. So cool. Where's Diamond? Let's find Diamond. So this is the Diamond Kabuki next to the Oval Kabuki. And look at the shapes. They're actually oval and diamond. That is so neat. I'm nerding out so hard right now. Let's see. Who are you? This is the large powder. Ooh, just so pretty. I wonder if it translates how gorgeous these bristles are. I mean, look at this. Wow. Amazing, amazing. And of course, last but not least, we have the kabuki brush. This is adorable. Comes in his own little house. How cute. Let's open that up. Wow. Look at this. That is amazing. Look at this kabuki. And it's so ergonomic. If it's, look at this. Wow. I mean, Tiffany thinks of everything. Everything. Well, here is my brand new collection of body color cosmetics brushes. I never imagined that I could be the owner of such an incredible collection. And these are also the number 4 and the number 2 round brushes, which are family with good old number 6. I use the number 2 the most for outlining little things. I also use the number 4 for outlining, but I use it mostly for colors and dots and things like that. And then the number 6. So these are the 3 sizes that you've seen me use the most in my videos. And this is my original collection of body color brushes. Oh, this one is one of my new ones too. But I've had this set for about 3 years old. Not bad for 3-year-old brushes. I mean, look at those bristles. They have held the test of time. I've done endless gigs. I've done a ton of tiny tutorials. So you've seen these used in every single video, almost every single video that I've done. And so these are my new ones. And there we go. Now we have my full collection of body color brushes. So let's go ahead and put them up on my brush holders, and then I can show you what they each do. All right, so stay tuned for the next video. I will be showing you how to use every single one of these with some white face paint so you can test them out with me. See you then.